Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best children cups is probably one of the most essential items for parents with toddlers. Choosing the right cup can make a huge difference in your child's drinking habits and overall development. In this video, we'll dive into the world of children's cups, exploring various types, materials, and features to help you find the perfect one for your little ones. Number 5. Munchkin Splash Toddler Cups with Training Lids, 4-pack. Introducing the Munchkin Splash Toddler Cups. This set includes 4 cups, perfect for your little one. They are designed to make the transition from bottle to cup easy. These cups feature a modern design with white accents and come in 4 colors. The design won't clash with your home decor, and it's sure to be a hit with both parents and kids. Each cup comes with a removable press-fit training lid. The lid helps to direct the flow of liquid, making it easier for toddlers to drink without spills. The cups nest together for easy storage, saving you valuable space. This feature makes it convenient to store them when not in use. Each cup holds 7 ounces, ideal for juice, milk, or water. It's BPA-free and suitable for children 18 months and older. It's the perfect size for little hands. What we like. These cups come with training lids, making them perfect for transitioning toddlers. Their modern design will complement your kitchen decor. If you are looking for a cup that's easy to store and clean, this is a great choice. It's a stylish and practical solution for your little one. What people say. The handles are easy for my toddler to grip. The cups are durable and have held up well to drops. The lids fit snugly and don't leak. Number 4. Nuby Flip It Reflex Stainless Steel Kids Cup. Introducing the Nuby Flip It Reflex Cup, designed for kids 18 months and older. This cup is perfect for little ones at home or on the go. It holds up to 10 ounces of their favorite drinks. The soft silicone spout is gentle on gums and teeth. The design prevents drips and spills, keeping the spout clean when closed. This makes it ideal for active kids. Made from 304 food-grade stainless steel, this cup is built to last. Parents will appreciate its durability, knowing it can withstand daily use. It's a reliable choice for your child. This insulated cup keeps drinks cool and refreshing for up to 10 hours. It ensures that their beverages stay at the perfect temperature throughout the day. This feature is perfect for school. The Flip It Reflex Cup is perfectly proportioned for little hands. It's easy for them to grip and carry, making it a great back-to-school essential. This design promotes independence. Nuby toddler cups are developed and manufactured to exceed all safety regulations. Parents can feel confident that this product is safe for their children. It's a worry-free choice. What we like. This stainless steel cup keeps drinks cool for up to 10 hours, ideal for on-the-go adventures. The soft spout is gentle on gums, and the design prevents spills. If your child needs a durable, insulated cup for school or travel, this is the perfect companion. It is designed with safety in mind. What people say. The cups are very durable and have held up well to being dropped. The handles are easy for my toddler to hold. They are easy to clean. Number 3. SCANDINOVIA 8 ounces Unbreakable Kid Cups. Introducing these ultra-strong plastic drinking cups, made to withstand daily use. Crafted in Japan, this product is designed to endure, even with the littlest ones. These cups are colorful, vibrant, and eye-catching. They perfectly blend form and function, making them a better choice than other options. Empower your kids with confidence with this lightweight, shatterproof cup. They can easily grasp and handle it, perfect for various scenarios. These kid cups are designed for hassle-free cleaning. They are dishwasher safe, making your life easier every time. Choose these BPA-free cups for a safer drinking experience. It's a great choice for your family, and perfect as gifts. What we like. These Unbreakable cups are made from super-grade acrylic plastic, ensuring they can withstand daily use. The vibrant colors add fun to meal times, and they're dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you like a safe and colorful cup that is easy to clean, you should consider these. They are perfect for both kids and adults. What people say. The cups are very durable and have held up well to being dropped. The handles are easy for my toddler to grip. They are easy to clean. Number 2. Wrova Wheat Straw Cups 12 ounces, Unbreakable and Reusable. These 12-ounce cups are made from natural wheat straw fiber, offering a sturdy and healthy alternative to plastic. They are BPA-free, non-toxic, and odorless, making them perfect for the whole family. Crafted from premium, food-safe materials, these cups are built for daily use and long-term value. Their shatterproof design provides a durable and worry-free alternative to glass or ceramic. They are also an ideal gift choice. Experience effortless convenience with these microwave-safe cups. From even heating to easy cleaning, they are designed to outperform ordinary plastic. The temperature resistance reaches up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. These cups are perfect for water, milk, juice, and more. They can also be used as a gargle cup or toothbrush holder, suitable for all ages. They are stackable for easy storage, helping to keep your space tidy. Your purchase is 100% guaranteed with a lifetime warranty. Contact us if you have any suggestions on our products, and we will reply immediately. What we like. These cups are made from wheat straw, a sustainable and safe alternative to plastic. They are unbreakable and can be used in the dishwasher, freezer, and microwave. If you are looking for an eco-friendly, durable, and versatile cup, you should choose these. They are perfect for everyday use. What people say. Sturdy plastic yet looks nicer than most. Dishwasher safe yet if I hand washing I can easily clean all the way to the bottom. They're the perfect size, super cute, and easy for little hands to hold. Number 1. Tronco 10 ounces stainless steel kids tumbler cups. These cups are designed for both drinks and snacks. Each set comes with a straw lid and a storage lid, making them perfect for home, daycare, or travel. It's a convenient solution for parents on the go. The flexible silicone straw is gentle on little teeth and gums. It has a built-in valve to control the flow and reduce spills. This helps toddlers learn to drink without making a mess, even with thicker drinks. With a 10-ounce capacity, these cups are ideal for young children. The removable silicone sleeves provide a comfortable, non-slip grip. It also keeps their hands from getting cold, encouraging them to drink independently. The straw has a cross-cut opening that stays sealed until your child sips. This smart design minimizes messes from tipping or shaking. It allows toddlers to drink confidently, perfect for various beverages. Made from stainless steel and BPA-free materials, these cups are built to last. All parts are dishwasher safe and easy to take apart. This saves parents time and effort when it comes to cleaning. What we like. These stainless steel cups come with both a straw lid and a storage lid, making them perfect for drinks and snacks. The spill-resistant straw is gentle on gums and teeth. If you have a toddler who is learning to drink independently, this is a great option. It is designed to minimize messes and promote confidence. What people say. The material is a stainless steel, not cheap plastic. The soft silicone is great. Nice and comfy for little hands, not to mention the cute design just adds a little flair. No matter how much she throws it, the lid stays securely put. No matter how much she shakes, no water escapes out of the straw. I can throw it in a bag and have no concerns of it getting on anything else in the bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.